Are you craving for a pop-out right out of your smartphone screen? Well, watch this. How to do this pop-out effect. Let me show you how. Here is the step-by-step guide on how to create a pop-out effect using capcut. First, you need two clips. One view with a green screen background and the other one from a high up perspective. Once you have got both clips, drop them into capcut. Let's go to capcut. Tap on the green screen icon and remove the background using the chroma key tool. Once you have successfully removed the background, place your video as an overlay and adjust it so that your body becomes smaller, and then tap on the duplicate icon, place overlay and move the clip below the existing video right there. Follow the same steps to remove the background again using the auto remove tool, and finally go to the mask tool and choose the rectangle tool. Adjust the size and the shape of the mask to only include the upper body of the person, leaving their face and the smartphone intact. Like that. Perfect. There you have it. You have successfully created a clean, eye-catching pop-out effect. Please save the video, share it on social media, and watch as your edits come to life. Okay? Follow for more capcut tips.